As its release date draws near, leaks of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung's next foldable flagship, are starting to surface. The phone is anticipated to be introduced in the summer. According to what we've heard so far, the Galaxy Z Fold 7's design may have been greatly influenced by the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, a remarkably thin smartphone with marginally larger screens that is only available in China, the home country of Samsung. The next Samsung foldable smartphone is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, which was announced at the August 10, 2022, edition of Galaxy Unpacked. It was released on August 25, 2022, along with the Galaxy Z Flip 4. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the successor to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and it was revealed by Samsung Electronics on July 26, 2023. The announcement was the first Galaxy Unpacked event to take place in South Korea, the home country of the firm. The phone was released on August 11, 2023. Samsung usually reveals its foldable phones in the summer, in July or August, at its Galaxy Unpacked events. The last Galaxy Unpacked event, which unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 6 on July 10, 2024, is expected to repeat the trend in 2025. The next big thing from Samsung, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, will be unveiled at the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event in the first half of July 2025 and will be available for purchase in August. Given that the Z Fold Special Edition is an expensive item, some rumors suggest that the pricing strategy will likely remain the same as it was last year, while others raise the possibility of a price hike. As of right now, it might go either way. However, it's important to keep in mind that a leak from late 2023 suggests that Samsung would have to deal with a more expensive chipset in 2025, which might raise the cost of its flagship phones, including the future Galaxy's Fold 7. We can still fairly assume that it will cost the same as the Z Fold 6 for the time being. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.